So today in our data analysis, we want to analyze the rank. We want to rank the information that is given here in terms of position. So you will just click equal sign, then write rank, then press shift and open the bracket. So you will press shift and open the bracket. But now we want to rank the column of I. So I will write I2. The 368 falls under I2. So I will write I2. Of course it will show me that. Then you separate it with a comma, then press shift, a dollar sign, press shift, dollar sign, it will produce that sign. Start with the column I, then shift, dollar sign again, the row which is 2, then you separate them with a colon. So you press shift, colon. Then we want to rank from I2 to I13, that is Francis Olekaelo. From I2 up here to I13 Francis. So you press after the colon, you press shift, dollar sign again, then I, shift, dollar sign, 13, and it will highlight it there like that. So separate them with comma, then 0, then close the bracket, shift, close the bracket like that, then press enter. So you'll see the first one is number 12. So let me drag it to the last cell. And there we go. So we have from number 1 to number last. When I want to rank them in terms of position, so I will come, press right click, then sort, expand, sort, like that. So it will arrange it like that. And there we go. Let me write them in bolts. We have our rank from number 1, who is Onyango Tate, to the last person, who is Mohammed Abdi. The same can happen. We can rank also there. So we'll press equal sign, rank, then open shift, open the bracket, shift, bracket. Now we want to rank the subjects. So I will rank B what? I want to rank the totals, that is B14. So B14, then I will separate them with a comma, then dollar shift, dollar sign, B, then shift, dollar sign, 14, then colon. So I will press shift, colon. Then we want to rank from the totals from B14 to I what? To H14. So I will press shift, dollar sign, H, shift, dollar sign, 14. Of course it will show me. Then separate them with a comma, then 0, and close your bracket, shift, close, then press enter. So we have English number 7. Then you drag up to history, that is cell H14. So just drag like that, and there we go. So we have our position. So the first subject is agriculture followed by bio and all that. And there we go. We have our rank. Thank you.